The operations department of the Hollister R-V School District are really the people behind the scenes. They're the ones who make school happen. The Hollister operations department includes transportation, food service, technology, maintenance, grounds, and any of our custodial staff. Transportation, our bus driver's main goal is to get our students to school and home in as safe a manner as possible. Oftentimes, bus drivers are the very first person that students see for the day, so it's important they're greeted with a warm smile and a welcoming face whenever they get on the bus, and that we're excited about seeing them the next day when they get off the bus. Food service, we're roughly 70% free and reduced lunch, which means a lot of our families rely on the school for a good breakfast and a good lunch. Our meals meet all the requirements and guidelines set forth by the state and the federal government, and we make sure that anytime a student needs something more, that they get it. The custodians, their main job is to make sure that learning spaces are ready for teachers to teach and students to learn, and that all spaces are student ready when our students are ready to use them. The technology department, their main role is to keep our students safe. Yes, they're responsible as we live in the 21st century for making sure that our online and digital curriculum and content is age appropriate and appropriate for our students, but also that their personal identifiable information is kept safe. The entire operations department main goal is to meet all the basic needs of students so that students have nothing in their way when it comes to high quality learning.